Alright, welcome back to the channel. This is the tool haul from tonight at the Harbor Freight. We got some Icon sockets, another Icon ratchet. This is the 1/4 inch drive. Got flipped up. Got some shallow impact sockets for the 1/2 inch drive, Pittsburgh brand. Couple of new lights that they got that I wanted to give a try out. No, Matco sells their version of both of those. And grabbed a glove holder for the toolbox so I can save some room in the toolbox. So we're going to go ahead and pull out 1/4 inch ratchet. It is real nice. I like it. Sounds so good. Comes with a little cloth to keep the chrome cleaned up on it. I got one when I got the 3/8 drive flex head ratchet, but as you see, using it daily, this is about as useless as hen's teeth. So I've been using the gear wrench 1/4 inch, and it's seen better days. So that hopefully takes over for that. Comes in a nice case, in a box. Obviously, this is just going to be trash to me because I use my tools. These are the semi deep wells from Icon. I grabbed both standard and metric. All shiny, look almost identical to Snap-on without the Snap-on price. Lifetime warranty. I think they were like, $40, $50 for both sets each. So definitely couldn't pass up on that. I wanted a little bit different sockets because I have the deep wells and I have the shallows. This is the in between, and working on different makes and models. These are going to come in hand. We'll do a review on them later, more in depth after I've used and abused them. More than likely, the metric set's going to get more worn out than the standard or SAE. This, it's a nice set. It's $44. These are the massive Allen or hex head. This is the metric version, 1/2 inch drive, Icon, $44 and some change plus tax. None of this I think was on sale except for this. This was the inside track member deal. It was like $23 for this, and then it's like $24 for the headlamp. Both of these are rechargeable. I only buy rechargeable stuff because I forget to get batteries. A lot easier just to throw it on charge, especially using it on the daily. So these, ranges from 6 to 19. So you got 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 17, and 19. It does skip some sizes. The only reason why I got these is because of drain plugs on manual transmissions. When I go to refill, I actually have the right size Allen to use. Again, probably a set that I won't use as much or as frequently, but definitely lifetime warranty for the price. Really couldn't beat it. It was right there. I was there, and it makes great for a YouTube video. And again, Matco makes their own version of this little light. I'm pretty sure there's other companies that do as well. But Matco's is like $100. Wasn't going to spend that kind of money on a rechargeable light. That's not trash. That. Always great to have new tools to open and play with. And it is relatively bright. Of course, I got these lights on. Let's turn these off real quick. Well, that one doesn't want to turn off. That's great. But though, so it's pretty bright. It'll get the job done. Pretty sure after a good charge, it'll work out. And it matches the toolbox, the color anyway. So it's magnetic. It flips. It rotates 360. And it's nice. and it has a little battery life, bars on the back. So yeah, definitely if you're in the market for another light, probably check this out. It's going to get put to use almost immediately after I fully charge it. Make sure it's good to go. Yeah, you cannot go wrong with 24 bucks on a rechargeable light. They do have the little pocket lights, at least at my Harbor Freight. They had them on sale for I think like $4.99. They were not rechargeable. That's the only reason why I didn't get them. If they would have been, I probably would have bought every one that they had and done a decent giveaway with them, because it is really, really nice to have a pocket flashlight, especially one that is rechargeable. The only reason why I bought this is because I have a Matco version, and I wanted to see how it's compared to it. So you don't need none of that. Positives that I like, the reason why I was sold on it, I think I gave like 60 or 70 bucks for my Matco ones. The Matco ones, you have two different power buttons, which is nice, if you're only needing, to use one. But you have to have two cables to charge, which it did come with one. Whereas this one, it's just one cable, will charge both, runs off of this, and it's one button to turn them both on. Plus, they had a zoom feature, so you can adjust the light on both sides. Pretty nifty. Feels good so far. It has the same amount of flex, maybe just a little bit more than the Matco ones. No, they're about the same. But yeah, for again, 25 bucks, definitely money well spent. It says that the charge time on a fully charged on high is like, I think the life was like 4 hours and 30 minutes. So we'll see how that pars up to the Matco headset. But it's nice to have another headset fully charged, ready to go when one dies. And yeah, we're definitely going to test those out and probably do a review on them in about a month. That should give me enough time to see how they fare. This set, you cannot go wrong. I'll say it 1,000 times. It's Harbor Freight sockets. They're impact sockets, guaranteed for life. Are they going to be as great quality as your Snap-on version or Matco or Cornwell? Probably not. But for 30 bucks and 30 minutes of trying to get these things out, it is money well spent. All right, I'm going to play with this later because they're whooping me right now. But for the most part, I think it only skips the 20 millimeter. And for some reason they throw a 27 millimeter in there. I've only had to run into a 27 millimeter like one time. So I don't know why. It's just going to be one socket that doesn't get used as much. But they're the Pro version. They feel good. Not as good as the the Icon Chrome sockets. They kind of have about the same weight. So if they break, I'll take them back. Not a big deal. And you cannot not go wrong with the grease rags. Like 50 pack for 12 bucks. That beats any so far Parts House deals on their shop towels. I think their shop towels for like a 25 pack is like 10 bucks. You get double, and you get to buy some cool tools in the process. So this, again, I bought this thing. Let me squeeze by you. just for this. That is the whole purpose. Or, you know, for the other guys out there, you know, they can put their tissues in there and wipe away their tears from spending all their money on the Snap-on tool trucks or whatnot. But yeah, $13, and it saves room in my toolbox. Not that much, but you know, I could probably squeeze some more tools in my box now without having to upgrade right away. And it's magnetized. I don't have to worry about anything. It does what it's supposed to do. So the best things that I'm excited about out of this whole tool purchase is probably these sockets. Icon does make a good tool, regardless of what, you know, other people may or may not say. It's, at the end of the day, this ratchet 1/4 inch drive on the tool truck would probably run me about $150, $160, whereas I spent close to $50 on the ratchet. The quality feels probably just about what you're going to get off the tool truck. It's not going to have your, you know, Snap-on or Matco brand on there, but is it going to get the job done? Yes. And that's the whole thing. I love doing videos like this because I am a DIYer. I am a certified mechanic. I try to do anything and everything to a car that I possibly can. I've worked in multiple shops, and I just wish that Icon would have came out sooner when I was younger and in the field, because for the price of the tools, you can't beat it. You know, you really can't. So, don't forget to subscribe, as it helps the channel grow. I'll do a review on these in a couple of months after I've done worn them in some, and after I find room in this top drawer to jam them in. But thank you for watching. Have a great day.